at the end of day 2 since my lip lift. But just to kind of recap what I went through, when I woke up this morning, I did have a good amount of swelling. I kind of looked like, my upper lip looked like Marge Simpson's upper lip. But within a couple of hours, that pretty much went down into kind of what you see now. I'm not quite 100% to normal, but I'm almost to normal. I just have slight swelling left. I haven't had any pain at all. The stiffness that I had yesterday, and I did have a good amount of stiffness this morning, is almost totally gone. I mean, there's still a little bit of stiffness, but everything feels really generally normal. And like I said, I'm not even getting any pain or anything like that, which I'm really relieved and excited about, that there's really nothing to worry about. But, you know, just kind of give you guys a close-up of what it looks like. And that shininess that you see is just bacitracin that I put on there. It's, you know, just to keep it kind of like clean and that kind of thing. But like, I mean, you guys, I am obsessed with my lips now. I mean, it's changed my face literally for the better. I mean, just all in all, like, I'm so happy and so excited. I'm so thrilled. Incredibly happy with the talent that Mark has. I mean, look at this. I'm so grateful. He did such a good job. God, I'm so excited. Day 3 update. Just to kind of give you guys an idea of what it looks like. Honestly, all of my swelling, I mean, I think all of my swelling is gone. No pain. Haven't had any kind of pain throughout this whole process. I will say that last night it did start to itch. The area where the incision is and the stitches are started to itch. That's normal though, because when you're healing, you do itch. It's minor itching though, nothing that's too terrible. I did take an ibuprofen yesterday just to help with swelling. Haven't taken anything today though, because I really didn't feel like I needed to. But it looks really good. I'm so excited, you guys. I mean, into day 3, everything looks really good. Okay, so I just want to give you guys an update. I am out on Eagle Mountain Lake today, but you don't want to get sun exposure on the incision, so I've got my huge, big Kentucky Derby floppy hat to make sure that I don't get any sun exposure on it. But just take a close look. Everything looks really good today. I'm healing well. I'm just having some itching, which is normal. It's an indication of healing, so not a big deal, but everything seems to be going really well. I'm on day 6 since the surgery. Just want to show you guys a little bit of the incision here. What we're about to do is they're going to be removing my stitches or my sutures here today. So I'm very, very excited to see what it looks like without these. But everything's going good. I'm about to get my stitches or sutures out. Look, yeah. Carrie just got here. She's going to take them out for me.
So these are teeny. So I have to use teeny little instruments, but we just clip these little stitches out.
Okay everybody, so I wanted to go ahead and give a update on my lip lift. So I just want you guys to take a look here. So that way you can see where my incision line is, and then just kind of take a look at my actual lip itself. Looks so good. The results are just, this is what I look like with filler in my upper lip. So now that I'm being able to start from here, I'm really excited. Lip lift update, everybody. I am just a day short of 3 weeks out. I feel like this is my true, real results. Swelling's all gone, everything's pretty much resolved. So just to kind of do a little close up and show you guys. Very thrilled with my results. I'm super happy. I'm really excited. I still have a tiny bit of healing. The line where the incision is so fine, so tiny. I'm really excited because I know I'm not going to have a scar that I'm going to have to deal with or do any kind of like scar correction on it. So that's amazing. I I would say that's one of the big reasons why it's super important to find somebody who is really good at this, and kind of has the talent, especially like Dr. Deuber does. Because I've seen some lip lifts out there that the scar looks a little, like there is scar present and it looks a little gnarly. So I think it's really important who you get it done with, especially in an area that's on your face that can be so prominent and prevalent. So really happy with everything. The only thing that I feel is I still feel a little bit of numbness in the area, but it seems in the last week or so that I'm slowly getting the feeling back. So that's where we're at so far.